which I can soldier through if I have to.
Okay, here you go. In 3, 2, 1. Jen, is the future of travel really a wearable?
It very well could be. Meet the wearable that could change the way we all travel, maybe do a whole lot more. It's called the Ocean Medallion, and over this past week, some 10,000 people, including me, used it on board one of the 3 newly teched out Carnival Corporation's Princess Cruises ships. Now this little gadget, what can it do? It replaces keys, cards, wallets, money, passports, but most of all, hassle. It helps the crew know you and know exactly what you need, when and where you need it. It also helps you find your way around, even track down your travel mates. And when you're on a ship that's almost 4 city blocks long and about 10 stories high, that alone comes in handy dozens of times a day.
How does the Ocean Medallion work?
When you sign up for a cruise, you fill out your profile online, your likes, dislikes, special requests, what excursions you might want to do, shows you might want to see, and then you opt in for the Ocean Medallion free of charge. The company sends you this little laser etched disc with your name engraved on it. It's equipped with the latest Bluetooth and NFC technology that, along with some 7,000 readers and sensors on board, can help the crew identify you specifically. You specifically, no matter where you are on the ship. There's no screen, no buttons, nothing to get confused by. It just works without you really having to think about it.
Can you control the information it uses?
Yeah, this little gadget is all about security. There is no information actually stored on the device itself, other than the engraving of your name and the cruise date that's required by law. And the way the company explained it to me is that it's kind of like an individual license plate with a non-meaningful number that's encrypted that meets or exceeds the security levels used by banks. So the entire Medallion ecosystem also uses dual-factor authentication. This includes your security picture. So every time you buy something, all transactional points when you're getting on and off the ship, your photo pops up. If it's not you, well, they know that something's wrong. That's a red flag. So all your sensitive data is encrypted and anonymous, not kept on the gadget or even on an app or anything like that.
What other high-tech travel trends should we know about?
Well, this Medallion is just one part of an entirely new tech ecosystem on, right now, these highly teched out ships, but easy to see how this could widen out, broaden out to the entire travel industry before too long. There's a couple hundred giant touchscreens that recognize and engage with you via personal avatars. The company calls these tag-alongs. It's pretty awesome to have your own personal avatar. You can use them to find your way around, get point-to-point directions. You can bookmark activities, shows, excursions, or just use them to play games. Also new, a suite of smartphone apps, plus ship-wide high-speed Wi-Fi, all of it working together to make this place one of the most unobtrusively technologically advanced places on the planet. So like I was mentioning, it's easy to imagine this entire new tech ecosystem moving across many other industries as well in our lives: airlines, hospitals, colleges, and of course shopping. For more information on the Ocean Medallion, go to princess.com, or you can go to my website at techish.com for the whole story.